Okay, hi everyone. Here we are in FlipGrid. To get to this point, what you will do is you will go to FlipGrid and create an educator account, and it will give you a choice to use whichever email you want. I highly recommend using your PolyPrep email. It will link it to all PolyPrep other emails, and so when kids are joining your class, it will allow anyone with a polyprep.org email address to join your class easily. So once I've gotten an account on FlipGrid, I'm going to create a topic. Think of a topic as an assignment, and I'm sitting here and I'm saying I want the title of the assignment to be one word. I'm welcoming people to September 2020. Please record a video telling us your name, where you attended middle school, and the first word that comes to mind when you think about returning to or just beginning school this year. Then explain why you chose this word. Okay, I am telling them, or it will cut off after a minute, but you have a choice for recordings to be anywhere between 15 seconds and 10 minutes. 1 minute is fine. And I can include some kind of media if I so choose, but I'm not going to do that right now. Okay. What I could do if I wanted to is I could record a video. I kind of like doing that, and maybe I'll do that and I'll just show you. So here we go. I'm going to record a video. Okay, I have 10 minutes to record my video. Click anywhere to dismiss. Okay, so here's my screen. Had my thing covered. Okay, so my options when recording the video, and this is nice, right? If you're telling a kid to make a video, it's kind of nice to get them set up with a video. So record screen. I don't actually want them to do that. I don't want the whole screen recorded. It's fine that they just record my face. Okay, so I can add effects. Here's what I love, and this is really great for the math department. And I believe, and we're going to test this today, I believe that the board, which is a whiteboard, I believe that can be used for the kids too. So you could put up a math example, and they can then write a math example back as an answer. But for now, I'm just going to make it fun. I'm going to put a frame around me. I'm going to, oh, that one's nice for the beginning of school. I like that. It's a little crazy. Okay, so if we go to clear frames, how are we feeling? This is really how I'm feeling, but I'll make it look like, there we go. There's an emoji, and I'll put that there. Options. Can draw directly over me. Emojis are also cool too, because if someone doesn't want to show their face, they could kind of cover their face before they start recording. And I haven't started recording my video that will go out to the students yet. I can put in text and say, okay, so this is sure to help them think that they have an actual fun teacher. They'll be so disappointed when they get into my class and realize how unfun I can be. Okay, so here I've set up my screen, and I'm going to record a video. Okay, so here it is. Hi everyone, welcome back to school. I'm going to do for you what I'm asking you to do for me. So I'm going to give you my name. I'm going to tell you where I attended middle school. And I'm also going to tell you the first word that comes to mind when I think of this school year. So my name is Jean Belford. I attended middle school in Rockaway and St. Francis de Sales a million years ago. And the first word that comes to mind when I think of this school year is excited. And the reason I am excited is because I really miss being at school, even if that's fully remote, which we're not going to be right out of the gate, but even when we do go fully remote, just kind of interacting with kids and getting back into a routine. It's been a long time since I've been in any routine, and so I think it'll be good for all of us. My guess is a lot of you feel the same way. So please let me know the first word that comes to mind. It does not have to be that you're excited. I want the truth. I'm not looking for anything but you to be really candid about it, because we need to get to know each other. Okay. I'm looking forward to your video. So now I'm going to hit next.
Hi everyone, welcome back to school.
This allows me to review.
I'm going to do for you what I'm asking
I don't need to
do
review.
for me. So
I don't need to review the whole thing, so I'm just going to hit next again. Okay, so now the selfie, that's going to be like the thumbnail. So before they click on the video of me, they're going to see like a picture. So it takes it right away. I'm going to redo it because I wasn't ready. So just know that the second you hit this button, it just takes your picture. So I'm just going to like, yeah, that, you know, so they could really make fun of me. So I'm just going to say like that, or do a silly thumbs up. Awful. But anyway, here we go. Okay. So uploading my video. Success complete. All right. So now we have weird looking teacher, thumbnail. I have my assignment. And now I'm going to talk about who this is going out to. So is it private, student emails? I'm going to create the topic. I'm not adding anything right now because our students have Google School email. And that is the reason why I really recommend that you connect using your PolyPrep account. I'm going to create a topic. Okay, there was an issue saving the topic. Please find and address any fields. So what's the issue? Add the domains or the individuals. Okay, so a domain is literally just going to be polyprep.org. Okay, it says a valid email domain, everything after the @ symbol is required. So I'm basically saying that anything that has polyprep.org should be accepted. Okay. So now my topic is ready. I can share this to a Google Classroom. Do I really want to do this? I don't know that I want to do this, but I'm going to walk you through it anyway. So here, share to Classroom. Because the domain is the same and we have Google Classroom and they're integrated, I can go into here and I can pick my classes, okay? And if I want to choose this one class, now this wouldn't really be the class that I would choose. I would choose a Tech and Wellness because Tech and Wellness are all freshmen. And I asked about middle school, but I'm just going to go with it for now anyway. So if I choose an action, I could create an assignment, ask a question, make an announcement, create material. So I would create an assignment, and then I would hit go. And I would say, I'm going to call it the same thing, just for continuity, one word. Please click the link, the attached link, and create a video. I don't need to really put all the same instructions. Now up here, as you know, I can do this to 2 of my AP sections, okay? Or I can just actually, I really just want it on my Tech and Wellness, right? Because I asked. So anyway, for now I'm just going to put it to all my sections. Hitting assign. FlipGrid, there is the actual FlipGrid. I don't need it to be points. Due date. That's important. Why is it not letting me? I don't know why it's not letting me change that. Maybe I'll just make it 1 point for now. Okay. Due date. School starts on the 8th. We can say that we want this by the 14th, just because we don't know when we're really going to be meeting with each class. Time is optional. I always just put first thing in the morning. And topic, create topic. I don't know, I kind of feel like this year there should be a topic in every classroom kind of just being called check-in, right? So there we go. My topic is going to be check-in. I'm assigning it. And as you can see, I never really did anything to connect this to the Google Classroom. It's really all connected on the back end. And then I can view it, but I'm not going to view it now. Okay? So if you don't want to do that, you could just copy the link to it and then bring it to the Google Classroom. And then just make an assignment the way you would and just put this link in there. Okay? Or you could copy this and you can send it in an email if you have your roster and you haven't set up your Google Classroom yet. Okay, now we're out of this, and if I go into my Google Classroom, let's see if it posted. One word, there it is. And instructions are here. Now I'm going to bring it here. I don't know if it's going to let me see it. Yeah, this should give me the, I'm going to, I can't log in with Lily. If I log in with myself, it's not going to show me from the student end. Oh, maybe it is. Okay. All right, so this is how it looks from the student end, and literally what they'll get is record a response. They go in, and this is really what I want to see. I want to see if you have a whiteboard, and you do. So that's great news for math teachers, right? Kids can answer a math question and use a whiteboard if they want, or just use it to explain something. Okay, we're going to end here.